What is up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be telling y'all how to use the controls on your window air conditioner correctly. So, without beating around the bush too much, let's just jump right into that topic. Okay. Here we are at the first of the two main styles of window air conditioner controls you will see, the knob style. Now, this style is common on older window air conditioners and is still used today on 5000 BTU models like this one by GE. Now, these controls are pretty self-explanatory, but I have a cool trick that you might not know. But first, let's get the simple stuff out of the way. So here on the bottom, you have your fan and cool controls. But the more complicated aspect comes when we come up to this top thermostat dial. Now, as you can see, there are numbers around this thermostat dial. However, they're completely arbitrary and have nothing to do with actual temperatures. But what you want to do in order to use this thermostat is turn this to low cool or high cool or whatever cooling setting you want. And then turn this to its max cool setting. After that, what you want to do is wait until your room reaches your desired temperature. After your room reaches your desired temperature, what you want to do is take this thermostat and turn it down until you hear a click. Like that. It won't be very audible, but it's definitely there. And once you hear a click, stop turning it immediately. So basically, you set the thermostat so it keeps your current room temperature. Okay, that was a neat trick. But now let's move on to the second, more modern type you will see more commonly these days. Okay, this is the other style you will more commonly see these days with window air conditioners. This is the digital thermostat style. Now, this style is basically used on all window air conditioners now. It will slightly vary. A few of these things will be in slightly different places, or if you have an older model, some of these things might not exist at all. But everything's going to be pretty much the same. On these models, you will usually have two lines of LEDs. One is going to be your mode selector for what mode you want the air conditioner, like auto, cool, dry, which doesn't really work, and fan. And then on the other side, you will usually have your fan speed, like high, auto, low, medium, etc. Now, the way you set these is way simpler. You just turn it on and set this thermostat thing up here to your desired setting. Now, there is something you need to know about this air conditioner style. A lot of the times, these air conditioners will have different fan and energy saver modes. Okay, y'all, what I was trying to say here is that sometimes on these modern window air conditioners with digital controls, they usually have an energy saver mode. And the energy saver mode automatically turns on whenever you turn on the unit. However, the problem is, most of the time, these energy saver modes don't actually do anything. They might turn on and off the fan or do some weird stuff with the thermostat, but they don't actually improve efficiency that much. And if you're sleeping with the fan on, it can be kind of annoying if it's always cycling on and off. So I recommend always making sure the energy efficient mode is off, because it doesn't actually save that much energy, and it just is an extra annoyance. It also causes extra wear on the fan motor and compressor because it's cycling them on and off all the time. Something else that you need to be aware of about these energy efficient modes is a lot of the times they're broken up into two settings. The energy saver or eco setting and the automatic fan setting. You need to make sure that both auto fan and energy saver modes are off. Yet another thing to be aware of is a lot of these units have a remote control. However, I do not recommend using it because these remote controls usually have a lot of problems syncing with the unit. And some of them, especially from Chinese hair models, don't even have a display. So I don't recommend using the remote control. So yeah, that's basically the end of the video. We touched on pretty much everything about window air conditioner controls. I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to see more like it, smash that like button. So, if you feel like subscribing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But if you don't feel like subscribing yet, please feel free to check out another one of my videos that our AI overlords say you will like. So, goodbye.